Hey there, everybody. Welcome to another Earthen Rhythms drum class. I'm Benji, and today we're learning cuckoo. It's the last class for our 9-week course, and COVID-19 set in just as we were about to finish. So we're taking everything now online. So come and join us for one of our fun African-inspired and African drumming classes. We're obviously playing the djembe, and there's dunduns, and there's bells and shakers and a bit of body percussion perhaps thrown in. So we're going to do our work online with Zoom here, and we can get different angles, as you can see, from the top and in front. We're going to play around a little bit. We're going to keep it simple. We're going to make sure your learning is done with as little stress as possible in these tough times. So I'll keep it simple, but yet I'll be playing along. There'll be online support, there'll be videos, and there'll be notation as well. So come along, have some fun, and join us to drum. Here we go. So here it goes, off the call. Choose your own adventure. Ah. All right, guys, take care, everybody.
You too.
Thank you.